Simama jina zako.
I, Jane Gatwiri,
Do swear by the Almighty God
do swear by the Almighty God
that the evidence
I
shall give before this court
I shall give before this court
touching the matter in question
touching the matter in question
is the truth,
is the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me, Almighty God.
You are conversant in English or Swahili?
I will speak in English, nikilemewa nitaongea Kiswahili. I'm not a lawyer, your lordship.
No, you don't have to be a lawyer.
I'm just a mother from a village.
Okay, it's okay. Yes.
Yes. Eleza kuhusu majina yako.
Majina yangu ni Jane Gatwiri kutoka Meru, mama ya Mbijiwe ambaye alipotea miaka 4.5.
Polepole inaandikwa.
Okay. Nimesema majina yangu ni Jane Gatwiri kutoka Meru, mama ya security analyst Mwenda Mbijiwe ambaye alipotea tarehe 12 mwezi wa Juni 2021 on a Saturday.
Did you report to the police about the incident?
Yes, I reported the matter first of all, I reported the matter on 14th at Timau police station, but I was told the matter is not yet 72 hours, so I have to wait for 72 hours to be over so that I can report the person as missing person. They did not agree.
Of which month?
14th of June 2021, that was on a Monday.
You reported the matter where?
I reported the matter at Timau police station because he went missing on Saturday the 12th and we stayed on Sunday the 13th, and then on Monday I went to report to Timau police station.
Since you ever reported, after police told you or given you any progress report about the investigations?
I went back home because Mwenda went missing along Thika Super Highway on Saturday the 12th. And then when I went back to my home in Timau, my son, who was an assistant lecturer at Kampala University, Nicholas Bundi, and my daughter DCI came at Kasarani police station. They reported the matter. I have the OMB with me because you remember, this lawyer who is representing, I don't know who is wearing specs, said the other day I was a stranger in this matter. We did not report. I have an OB, I went for it. It was reported at the Kasarani police station on 16th of June 2021. That was on Wednesday. And some people were summoned to report to the DCI the following morning on 15th, which did not happen because the former boss DCI Kenoti called the DCI Kasarani and ordered the closure of the file.
He ordered the closure of the investigation?
Yes.
Do you have that evidence?
Yes, I have the OMB here. It is here. And reported, we went for the OMB so that we can give it to the court. Because I remember there was an inspector here who said he had been calling me several times and I was very uncooperative. I want to say, because I have already sworn, I say before this court, your lordship, that nobody, no senior government officer has ever called me in connection of the missing person, my son, Mwenda Mbijiwe. Nobody.
My Lord, I would object to the note.
You will have your time.
Let me prosecute my matter. My Lord, I object to the note that the witness has passed to the court.
Yes.
Because the witness has a formal affidavit in support of her application. And the affidavit has been shared and it has been responded to by the respondents. My Lord, it would be prejudicial if the witness were allowed to slip notes to the court with what she purports to be OB numbers.
Yeah, but with tremendous respect.
Has she adverted to the OB number in affidavit?
Yeah, there are several OB numbers, your lordship.
Yes.
And that's one of them.
Okay.
And the witness is on oath.
Sorry.
The witness is on oath.
Yes.
So she can testify to the best of her knowledge because this is information within her knowledge.
Well, that is not the case, because the respondents, regardless of what my learned friends thinks, by the constitution that we all hold in such high regard, are entitled to respond. And if evidence is allowed to be, and it is evidence because the witness is testifying, if evidence is allowed to get onto the court record in such an informal manner, it is prejudicial because the respondents do not have the ability to respond.
Your Lordship, the respondents are shameless. They have no respect for rule of law, they have no respect for summons, they have no respect for anything.
I detest
one
again.
should not teach us about respect, clients don't have or uphold at all. So let this lady talk because she's on oath. She has sworn by the Bible and she's a Christian. So,
I request
So
that your Lordship.
my question was, is that in affidavit?
in affidavit, she has said
Yes.
they made several reports at Central Police, at Kasarani and at Timau.
Did she quote this one?
The problem is,
Yes.
whereas they were reporting, there was directive from the DCI, then DCI director, who said that that file should be closed. And that is significant, Your Lordship.
And is there that evidence also that?
She has about to that effect in her affidavit.
Okay.
That actually, the director, the then director of DCI,
Yes.
directed that all those inquiries be closed. And this is a village from Meru. Kutishi challenge what the director of DCI said. So let us contextualize some of these testimonies so that we don't become mechanical, Your Lordship. See? If we can't become mechanical to technicalities, then we will end up in an injustice. Somebody's life is at stake here. For 4 years, they can't explain where this man is. And they took him alive.